Greetings, how to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Michigan, United States. Welcome. I'm Emre, webmaster of Cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you easiest way to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for investors living in Michigan, United States. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrencies. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Please just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can find 20% commission kickback code and link. Now, there is our website, Cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this website, you can find all information about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. How to buy Bitcoin with credit card, where to buy Bitcoin, education videos, and others. Yes, now, how to buy Bitcoin in Michigan. Firstly, we can click this button, list of top cryptocurrencies. Yes, so easy. In this page, we can get all information about cryptocurrencies and other coins. Yes, Litecoin, Cardano, Binance Coin, Monero, and others. Now, firstly, we need information about Bitcoin. Yes, we can click info button. In this page, we can find all information about Bitcoin. For buy, we can click this button. So easy. Now, how to buy Bitcoin with easiest way? Just one click. Let's go.